Dr. Subhash Kumar from Bihar, Patna. I am Secretary RSSDI Bihar chapter, and today I am going to chair a very important session on oral semaglutide, which is one of the newer entrant in the therapy of diabetes. Previously, we have treated diabetes just to look at the glucose lowering points, which were not helping in terms of reducing the complications. But now, the newer drugs like DPP-4 inhibitors or GLP-1 analogs have shown a much better benefit in terms of reducing the complications, especially at cardiovascular endpoints. And now we have a oral drug, not injectable, this first oral GLP-1 analog semaglutide, which is going to be very soon available for us, and we are going to have insight on this latest drug, which is have shown a benefit in terms of cardiovascular endpoints, and we are going to hear more about it in this session. Thank you.